Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to post photos on X, formerly Twitter. So to post photos you have just to go and open X, the app, and after that, as you can see in the bottom right of the screen, there is plus icon. Click on it. And after that, to post a photo, as you can see here, like in the blue icons, the first icon is a photo icon. You have just to click on it and choose the picture that you want to post and click on OK. Or you can use your camera to take photos like this. Click on the camera and you will have the option to take a photo, and also click use photo, and you can use the photo that you took with your camera, and after that you can type whatever thing you want to type with the photo and click on post to post this photo or photos. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. See you in the next